विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. म्हापशां आदली बिल्डिंग मोडून नवी बांदतले. एकदां कन्सल्टंट नियुक्त करतकर तो पळोवणी करतलो आनी उपरांत कामाक सुरवात करतले म्हूण माहिती मंत्री लोबोन म्हापशेच्या प्लॅना विशीं दिल्या. एकदां काम पुराय जालें म्हणटकर म्हापशां जंय जळीमळी सरकारी कार्यालयां शेपडून आसात ती सगळीं एका पाख्याक पोंदां हाडपाचो यत्न करतले म्हूण माहिती म्हापशेचे आमदार जोशुआ डिसुजान दिल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आम्ही दोगांयनी लेटर घातला. सीएमान ऑलरेडी तेजेर सायन केला ऑन टॉप प्रायोरिटी करचें म्हणून. सो हे सेम बिल्डिंग मोडून नये बांदपाचो प्रपोजल इज ऑन द कार्ड्स. सो डेफिनेटली वन्स consultant is appointed, he will come, vice chairperson will come here along with all of us, and we will see that this building work starts immediately. Till then we have alternate place. It's not dead.
There is already a tender that is open for another block at the location of Old Asilo. So by the time that building gets ready, some offices can be moved over there. And once we decide on what is to be done about this building, then all the offices can be accommodated back here again. This will be a very big structure, a very big complex that will accommodate all different offices of the government of Goa. And it will serve as a one-stop location.
Including parking?
Including parking. The ground floor could have some kind of commercial activity. So we will try to accommodate this building will be designed in such a structure that on each floor they will have one or two departments, that it serves as a convenience point for the public.
What about civil registration office?
Yeah, we can also get all. I'm talking about all departments that are scattered all over Mapsa. We can get them all here in this central location. And by the time those additional roads and everything will be designed in such a way that there is a smooth flow of traffic also. Because when we made that statement on 15th of August, there were some questions raised regarding will there be traffic congestion. So there are a few bypass roads, the Tar River Bridge file is also, I have requested it to come to GSIDC. So we can streamline that process also. So once we have a smooth entry and another exit on this side, there will be a smooth flow of traffic in this area.
What is the status of Mapsa bus stand? Because once that moves out, then the congestion, ring roads and everything is in that.
The Mapsa bus stand, the file is still with the transport department. The decision whether to go, it is still in the same situation. Whether it is to be moved forward through PPP or through the state fund. And since they are not currently having the state fund, the question is whether it is best suited to move through PPP. And they have asked me for my feedback, and I have also suggested that PPP is the best way to move forward.
So by when